Let's create an eye-catching glitch effect using CSS for images. First, we will set up the HTML structure for our glitch effect. Create the basic HTML document structure. Now add a container div with 3 identical image elements inside. Now let's create the CSS file to style our glitch effect. First, style the body area as you want. Now create the glitch container that holds our images. Set relative positioning for child elements. Define a fixed width and height for the effect area. Center the container and hide any overflow. Style the base image class that all 3 images will share. Use absolute positioning to stack images on top of each other. Make each image fill the entire container. Ensure images maintain their aspect ratio while covering the area. Add the shape BLORE animation to all images. Now style the first image layer with specific clipping and color. Clip to show only the top third of the image. Apply a hue rotation for color distortion effect. Delay this layer's animation slightly. Style the second image layer with middle third clipping. Clip to show only the middle third of the image. Apply a different hue rotation value and a longer animation delay. Style the third image layer with bottom third clipping. Clip to show only the bottom third of the image. Apply another hue rotation for variety. Add the longest animation delay. Now define the keyframes for the glitch animation. Start and end with no transformation. 20% move slightly left and down. At 40% move right and up. At 60% move left and up. At 80% move right and down. Add a hover effect to intensify the glitch animation. Speed up the animation on hover. Increase brightness and contrast for dramatic effect. Let's check what files we have created in our directory. Now open the browser to see our CSS glitch effect in action. Move the mouse over the image to see the intensified hover effect. There is a blog post and PDF version of this tutorial with more details on our websites. Also, if you need videos and content packages like this created for your own channel, follow the first link in the description.